guys, welcome to another piano lesson with Angel Victor. Today we'll be learning a simple lick, yes, an ending lick in the key of C. Okay, so without much talking, let's get into the lesson. Like I said, we'll be doing this lesson in the key of C. Let's just look at the note because it's a lick, so just look at the notes in the key of C. So we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, yes. And this is more like an ending lick. So let me just play it. So it goes. I know some of us have heard this. Yeah, some of you might have heard it somewhere. Let me just I want to just show you the lick in the key of C. So let's get into it. So the right hand is playing C, D, E, F, G, and then plays, there's a slur, it does a slur here, D and B flat. You can see it on the screen. And then G and B flat, then F and A flat, and then G, back to G. So it's good. That's it. And then for the right hand, is the left hand is just playing D, the chromatic descent to your A flat from your 7th, major 7th. So it goes. Very simple. Yeah, that's the lick. Very simple. So at some point I did it fuller, like I added more notes. So instead of playing, I played. So at this point, here's this, then here's more like a triad. Here too is a triad. Yeah. Very simple. Very simple. Very simple lick. Yes. Okay, so that's it. It's not really hard. Maybe at the end of your song 2, 5, you can do it. Yes. Or even before your song starts. I can do it anywhere I like. Yep. Okay, so if you find what you've seen so far interesting, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as this helps encourage me to do more videos like this. Actually, it costs you nothing to do this. There are no charge for you, but it helps me, gives me the encouragement I need to keep doing these lessons. And if you want a private lesson, I offer both online and physical classes. Yeah, all you just need to drop a DM. Let's see it in the key of F. Yeah. So it's, the key of F. Everybody knows the key of F. So the movement is easy. Then that's what the lick is. Then the left hand is 7, flat 7, 6, flat 6. So yeah, that's it. Very simple. I can do this in all the keys. It's just to note the intervals. Yeah, then we did it. Let me just recap before I ended. So the lick is simple in the key of C. That's where we started. So we did, our right hand was playing, then the left hand just a chromatic descent from the major 7. So take note, it's starting from the right hand. Okay, if you find what you've seen so far interesting, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and stay blessed.